ॐ हिरण्मयेन पात्रेण सत्यस्यापि हितं मुखं तत्त्वं पूषणपावृणु सत्यधर्माय दृष्टये. I welcome everybody to the Swadhyaya Jnana Yajna program by Academy of Yoga and Oriental Studies in Bhubaneswar. This is a lecture series on Gheranda Samhita by Dr. Indulata Das, Director, Academy of Yoga and Oriental Studies, Bhubaneswar. This is lecture number 37 of Gheranda Samhita and lecture number 28 of the second chapter of Gheranda Samhita. Today we'll discuss on Vrisasana. Now, first let us see what is the significance of the name, why it is so named. The formation of the word Vrisasana is like this. Vrisa plus asana is Vrisasana. Vrisa means a bull. And it is also known as Vrisabha. Not only Vrisa, it is also known as Vrisabha. Vrisa or Vrisabha occupies important place in our cultural tradition. Vrisa or Vrisabha is the vehicle of Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva therefore is called Vrisavahana. In every Shiva temple, statue of Vrisa is found at the entrance and people pay their respect to Vrisa before they enter to have darsana of Lord Shiva. So Vrisa has a important place in our tradition. Now, why this asana is called Vrisasana? This asana is called Vrisasana because in the last step it imitates the appearance of a sitting bull. The legs of the practitioner is bent in such a way that it resembles the front two legs of a sitting bull. So therefore it is called Vrisasana. Now this is a picture of Vrisa and Vrisa or Vrisabha, and it is a sitting posture, and the practitioner has to imitate the bending of two legs, like the bending of the front two legs of Vrisabha. He has to imitate the bending of the front legs of Vrisabha. Now, technique of Vrisasana. It is found in Gheranda Samhita, second chapter. Jamya gulphe payumulang bama bhage padetarang viparitang spruset bhuming vrusasana midang bhavet. Jamya gulphe. Jamya means right, gulpha means ankle. And Jamya gulphe means on the right ankle. Payumulang means the root of payu, that means payu or anus. That means the anus has to be kept on the right ankle. And Bama bhage means to the left of the right leg, what? Pade tarang, the other leg. And how it should be kept? It should be kept viparitang. Viparitang means in a reverse position. And spruset bhuming. That means it has to touch the ground. It should be kept in such a position that it touches the ground and it is kept to the left of the first leg. So this is called Vrisasana. Let us see how it is done. Let us see the picture. Then it will be clear. So how to do it? The steps are like this. The practitioner should sit on the ground first, and then he should bend the right leg and put the right ankle under the anus. That means he has to put the anus on the right ankle, or he has to sit on the right ankle. Then he should bend the left leg in the opposite way, not in a straight way, in the opposite way, and put it on the ground to the left of the right leg. And he should keep it in such a way that it must touch the ground. So this is the position of the left leg. And first the right leg, he should bend the right leg and put the right ankle under the anus. So this is the position of right leg, and left leg should be kept to the left of the right leg, and it should be bent in such a way that it should be bent, and it should be bent in opposite way and kept in opposite way. and it must touch the ground. He should sit in this position, and there is no mention about the position of hands. So he is free to put his hands wherever he likes. So these are the steps of Vrisasana. Now this is a picture of Vrisasana by Sunil Kumar Debata. He has done very nicely. He has bent his right leg first, and he is sitting on the right ankle. Jamya mule, jamya gulfe payumulam. He is putting his anus on the right ankle. Then he has kept the left leg. He has bent the left leg and kept it in reverse position. And it is kept to the left of the right leg. And it is also touching the ground. And as there is no mention of the position of the hands, so he has put his hands on the knees. Very nicely done. And it is imitating the front bent legs of Vrisabha when it sits. So this is called Vrisasana or Vrisabhasana, and Sunil has done it very perfectly. Now, what about the benefits of Vrisasana? There is no specific mention of benefit of Vrisasana in the Gheranda Samhita. That means the practitioner will get the general benefits. What are the general benefits? In Hatha Yoga Pradipika, we find about the general benefits of any asana. These are the minimum benefits. Practice of any asana keeps the body light, it keeps the body steady, and it keeps the body disease free. Kurjatad asanam stharijam arogyam changalaghavam. And elsewhere it is also said asanena rujanghanti. Asanena rujanghanti. Ruja means roga. That means the yogi kills all his diseases by the practice of asana. So practice of asana keeps the body disease free. Vrisasana also will contribute in keeping the body disease free. And what about Vrisasana in Hatha Yoga Pradipika? There is no mention of Vrisasana in Hatha Yoga Pradipika. Thank you. Thank you for listening to this lecture. I shall be happy if you have question, and if you write the question in the comment box and notify it. I shall be happy to answer all your questions. Thank you. Thank you again.